Today we are playing Dog Pound, one of my favorite games. This game does have guns in it. That's the only thing I am gonna tell you. Also, I have the vet. It's a game pass, so if you can't get in, then you have to buy vet.
With that being said, let's play the Dumba game.
We'll play guards for now. And later in the video, we will play dogs. Let me show you our vet.
I love playing with you.
Okay, let's try again. These Dumba dogs and cats. They won't stop killing me, 'cause I'm not an animal.
Super close.
Let me cut.
Okay, I managed to get in the vet room.
This game is chaotic.
Okay, let's play as dog now.
We tried our best, you seemed to have beginner's luck. We came so close, but we just couldn't make you one.
In tomorrow's video, we will play a stray dog and a cat.
6 a.m. you win. We'll see you here tomorrow night and do it all again. The masks that we wear, pretend they are there. When you can only hide for so long, so long.
I need a high.
Anyways, that's it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed today's video.
See you in the next Dumba video.